Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly extract audio from any video using CapCut on your PC or Mac. Whether you're looking to repurpose a soundtrack, save dialogue from a recorded interview, or simply want the music from a clip for another project, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pull high-quality audio out of your videos in just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you've got CapCut installed on your desktop and that your video file is ready to go. Once you open up CapCut, start a new project and import your video. The simplest way is to find your video file in the media library. Just drag and drop it right onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You'll see your video clip appear there, ready for edits. This step is important because CapCut's editing features, including audio extraction, are accessed directly from the timeline. Think of the timeline like your workbench. It's where everything happens. Now, here's where things get really straightforward. Hover your mouse over the video clip in the timeline and right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. If you haven't explored these before, don't worry. CapCut's menus are pretty user-friendly. Look for the option labeled Extract Audio. Go ahead and click it. This is the key step. As soon as you select Extract Audio, CapCut separates the audio track from the video and places it directly below your video clip in the timeline. You'll notice that a new audio track appears, usually highlighted in a different color so you can instantly distinguish it from the original video track. If you've worked with layers and photo editing, it's a similar idea. Now you have two distinct elements you can move, edit, or export independently. It might take a few seconds for the audio to show up, especially if you're working with a large video file. Don't worry if it takes a moment. For longer videos, CapCut needs a little bit of time to process. Once it's done, you'll have your extracted audio sitting right below the video. Fully editable, you can adjust the audio volume, trim or cut sections, or even add sound effects to it. This separation is incredibly useful. Not only does it let you use the audio elsewhere, but you can also tweak it without affecting the video itself. If you want to use the extracted audio in another project, you can simply export it. CapCut makes it easy. Just select the audio track and follow the export prompts. You might want to give your audio file a clear name, especially if you're working with multiple clips or sharing with teammates. For example, label it Interview Audio Extract, so you can find it easily later. This attention to detail will save headaches down the line. That's all there is to it. No complicated settings or extra software needed. With just a handful of steps, CapCut lets you extract and work with audio tracks like a pro, whether you're editing a vlog, making a podcast, or prepping content for social media. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another CapCut feature you'd like to learn more about. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, step-by-step editing guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.